Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to walk you through how we repair this OnePlus 6T. So the client brought this into us with no display, so that means the display is not working, but when we push the power button on, the phone vibrates, which means that the phone is trying to boot up, but we can't see anything on the screen. So we have seen that the screen has a crack, but not that much. But apparently the glass got damaged and the LCD at the back. So we're trying to remove the back plate, and we have removed it, and now we're going to remove the clips and the motherboard shroud, and then we're going to detach the battery and other connected electronics. So we're going to remove the SIM card tray and the antenna cables so we can extract the front-facing camera and the motherboard itself. So the OnePlus 6T, as we can see, has a very big battery that spans the width of the device, and the repair process is quite messy compared to iPhones. So in order for us to remove and replace the display in front, we have to remove the electronics at the back. So the display is held on by adhesives on the main assembly body. So we have to heat it up to melt the adhesive and carefully pry it off of the main assembly. So if you're doing this yourself, you need to ensure that you have the proper tools and the proper skills in order for you to extract this kind of displays, because if you force it, the main assembly may bend, which holds the main shape of the device, and the glass shards may ping out to your eye. So it's really risky and it's gonna be messy, as what you can see on the table. You're going to remove basically everything before you can replace the front glass or the display. So we recommend that you don't try this for yourself at the first place, because one, you're gonna have a problem with finding the right tools, and second, you don't have the guarantee that the process that you think you know how to do will work on your device. So take it to a local service center like Sydney CBD Repair Center, where we have readily available replacement parts and skilled technicians that can do the repair for you. And we also provide warranty, limited warranty, since we already opened the device. So we're going to provide you with proper testing, and apparently we have a very good track record when it comes to customer satisfaction and device stability after the repair. So just as in this sequence, we can prove that the adhesive for the front display is very, very strong, and you need to take your time and be very careful not to touch or damage the remaining electronics left at the back. So right here we can see the bare main housing of the OnePlus 6T, and first we have to remove the old adhesives. We have to clean it up, scrape it up, and here we can attach the new display. So the attaching part is very easy compared to the extraction or uninstalling. All you have to do is to line it up and let the adhesives adhere to the main assembly, and you're basically done. And then we do the final assembly right at this moment, since we can't really test if the display is working or not. We're just going to do the assembly properly, so that we can ensure that when we power on the device at the end of this video, at the end of the repair, we can have a working OnePlus 6T. So if you have other smartphones aside from this OnePlus 6T. If you have Samsung Galaxy, Huawei, iPhones, smartwatches, Apple Watch, Samsung Gear, just take it to us. We can do the repair for you, and we often have stocks available for most models and brands. If we don't, we'll just order one for you, since we have some access to the OEM manufacturers, so you won't have to worry about sourcing parts for your smartphone. So this one is almost done. We're just going to test it after we put the motherboard shroud. And there you have it. It's a working OnePlus 6T. So it's been a good day here in Sydney, guys. Till next time, cheers.